What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we are going to continue from where we left off in yesterday's episode, which, as you guys can clearly see, was the possibility of seeing major correction pretty much take over a lot of these cryptocurrencies. And I still think it holds true. I know, shockingly, a lot of the major cryptocurrencies are actually breaching through major resistances here. Same thing with, well, it was mainly focused on Solana here. And we have some on Bitcoin, some on Ethereum, some on XRP, and some with the stock market here, but a lot of these major cryptocurrencies, I'm worried we are going to see a mass correction here. And I'll explain why in a second here, but I've been saying it, and I said it in yesterday's episode, do not be fooled by the hype, buy the rumor, sell the news. The news is out. We have our answers. The major run that we're seeing right now is not sustainable for the long term of crypto. So more than likely, we are going to see the markets dip. And that is my worry and my focus to make you guys prepared on here. So with that being said, we will be looking at things like XRP, which you can see did have a major run. Don't get me wrong, but we've pretty much been hung up right around this area here as of yesterday and today, and I'm not sure how much more movement we have left in XRP. Then we have Solana, which by some stroke of luck, I'm actually extremely shocked, we managed to now retest the highs that we were previously at. Now, we kind of knew a breakout was coming. We have what appears to be a very large kind of bull flag formation here, a pennant flag, which would see that run. However, we have an uptrend that we have drawn here, and it just looks like manipulation has taken over. I don't think this is the pattern that we have. I don't think it's that accurate. I think it's what we've already drawn here. And the fact that we've broken through here is shocking to me. It is pure market manipulation, and the market is in a frenzy. And I don't know that it's going to last that long. We are also extremely overbought. So one would argue it's time to correct. And that also applies with XRP. Ethereum looked good. We actually expected a run to take place, although we are nearing overbought. Bitcoin also looks good. We were expecting to see that run as well. And then the stock market has managed to break above. You can see not nearly as much volume as we had over the past couple days. You can see just from 2 days ago here, major run. And now today, yesterday, we had a little bit of movement here. But again, I'm not expecting to see this correct. It's unlikely, and it all has to do with outside manipulation here, that we are going to continue to move up. More than likely, a correction is upon us. A correction is necessary, where I would suspect to see these markets kind of pull back to the downside here. So with that being said, these are the things that we're going to have to go over and discuss. So smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI is giving away $8,100 in free bonus cryptocurrency to those who decide to deposit into the exchange. Super cool. I call it like exchange arbitrage, where I deposit, I get the bonus, and then I can withdraw whatever I deposited back into Coinbase. It's a way to basically scoop up free cryptocurrency that you can then leverage trade and trade with, which is extremely easy to do. And you can just keep making accounts or making different or using different exchanges, switching that money over, collecting your bonus money, and then using that to leverage trade for free, which is super cool. More info on BYDFI will be later on in today's episode. But for the time being, let's get right into the technical analysis. Now, I want to start off with the coin market cap. You can see we have exploded. We're at $2.53 trillion. We're up about 1%. And you can see it's funny that there are these crazy cryptocurrencies. PNU Trump is up. It's crazy what people create once we have this market movements here. But for the rest of the markets, we look all right. But notice 72 on the Fear and Greed index. That's way too high. We're up a lot of almost double digits in some of these cryptos. Doge up 20%, Cardano up 25%, Ethereum up 15%. All these cryptocurrencies are exploding. And you can see here, look at the uptrend, the uptick that these cryptos are in. This extent of almost being straight up is not sustainable by any means. And more than likely, correction is upon us and correction is coming. So I'm a bit worried with the way these cryptos are just exploding to the upside here. We know why it happened, but I just don't think it's going to last short term. Am I bullish long term? Of course, but I just don't think we have it in us. And I'd love to hear your feedback on it down in the comments below. Like, XRP is already seeing resistance across the board. It makes sense here. The resistance of the moving average, it makes sense totally. There's not much more that we could talk about here. From yesterday, we know that we're just kind of consolidating inside this fractal. Yeah, we broke into it, which is awesome, out of a bear flag. And now that we're inside of here, we're probably just going to continue to consolidate out. And then I would suspect to see correction because I just don't think this is going to last. Or if anything, just the fact that we're in here is fine. We can move past XRP. But other cryptocurrencies like Solana, things just don't sit right. We're extremely overbought on the 4-hour. You can see here, like we're trading at 77, extremely overextended, not sustainable. We're trading at 72 on the daily. And then the weekly, we're all right. We're all right on the weekly. But you can see why this breakout is necessary. Like it makes sense here. Beautiful symmetrical triangle. Here's the pop to the upside here. Now we hit resistance. And this candle is so massive, I just don't see us closing here. There's a good chance we'll recede back into it, which would be very interesting to see. And then we'll go back up. Like all I'm saying is correction. And then we'll just fight it and break through naturally, without major market manipulation backing it. That's kind of the point that I'm referring to here is I don't think this price is sustainable. And if we correct back down, I think that would be better suited for the markets here. That's just my thought and opinion. I think all these cryptocurrencies need to see some sort of small pullback in order to continue to head up because it's just not sustainable. Now, when we do make these trades, it's going to be on BYDFI because BYDFI is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. You can buy long, sell short, create stop losses, take profits. I mean, look at all the options here. Stop limit orders, market limits, take profits, stop losses, reduce onlys. You can even have a trailing stop loss, which is incredible. But on top of that, you can see click this, new user benefits, and then they have a demo trading account right over here. So now we get $8,100 in exclusive benefits for you guys to take advantage of all right here. You can see limited time rewards. And then anybody can get the new user $100 reward giveaway. Super easy. The daily benefits are right here. Check all these out. Super simple. Daily benefits. Every day you can claim these. And then they have the exclusive benefits tab for you guys to earn even more crypto. You can use that crypto and convert it into that bonus money. And then you can see, I'll show you with the bonus money in a second, but BYDFI has a demo account, which gives you $50K in demo money to practice test your skills. Once you get familiar enough with the exchange and you make profitable trades, then you can head on over to the live trading account right here. And this is where things get cool. You can see on Bitcoin, I go to my bonus wallet right here. I have $139.99 of bonus crypto with leverage. That is over $2,600 in leverage trading crypto that I have. And the best part is read it. Trading profits can be withdrawn. That is huge. The fact that we have trading profits that are withdrawable on Bitcoin is insane. And we can then withdraw that money, we can then withdraw that money out and into an exchange of our choosing or into Coinbase and then do whatever we want with free bonus cryptocurrency. It's basically a free way to earn crypto. So make sure to check out BYDFI down in the description below. Otherwise, these other cryptos like Ethereum, Bitcoin, S&P, we knew this break was going to come. It was almost inevitable. We were tracking this beautiful kind of symmetrical triangle here, waiting for that break to take place. And then, as you guys can see, boom, rally happened to the upside here, filling in this gap, boom. And it makes sense. So I do think this is going to continue up, although correction is necessary, but we're moving to the upside pretty much across the board. I do believe, like I said, correction is then for higher movements here. Like short-term correction followed by a higher run to the upside is pretty much what I expect and suspect to take place across the board with almost all these major cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin as well, maybe short-term correction right here, but then followed by continued rallies to the upside here because this is a textbook bull flag. Doesn't get any better than that. This is a textbook bull flag. And then here's that break to the upside here. Exactly what we expected, exactly what we anticipated. And that's the rally that we're expecting to see happen here. So I'm excited across the board. All I'm just saying is short-term correction followed by long-term rallies. I think 100K in Bitcoin is not unreasonable in any sense, and it's almost indefinitely going to happen. Stock market, it very well could go higher, but more than likely, I think we are going to come back down into here. And then again, consistently, slowly, head back to the upside is where I see these markets moving to. Otherwise, that's it for today's video. Smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.